Hello everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. I am so excited to show you this brand new book. It's quick, it's easy, it can be used as a brag book and even as a display. I used the beautiful A Cozy Christmas by Echo Park by my wonderful and fantastic friend, Marilyn. Oh my goodness, she's from Texas. She sent this to me and thank you so much. I absolutely love you so much and I hope I did this paper justice and I know that it doesn't use all the paper so we can really make a ton of these. Great gifts. I can even see it as a baby shower gift for the first 12 months of a baby's first beginnings and really a brag book. So check this out. Front and back, hardcover. Comes together beautifully. It's even a wonderful display on a regular or even for holidays. And I got a cute, doesn't that just look like a little present? This unfolds just like this. And it opens up just like that. The photos are what shine here. Now this may look like a completely ordinary pinwheel style picture book, but it lays completely flat on display right here when showing it off. And not only that, they come together and you can have this cute little star right here on the mantle or even in your tablescape. It stands up. Is that not super cute? Oh my gosh. All our pictures right there. This actually has a certain technique where these edges of the chipboard never bump into each other. And it's a nice flush attachment right here to keep that nice and sprawled open. And because of this front and back cover attachment technique, you can really put as many flaps on the interior here as you want. And it will never affect the bulk. Oh my gosh, it was so super simple. Look at these cute little stickers. How precious would it be to have your wonderful little pictures, even if a baby, 12 months right here, 12 pages. Look how cute. I can see this on the Christmas table. I can see it on the fall-inspired tablescape during Thanksgiving. All the family members. Wow, this one came together in less than an hour. Can you believe it? Less than an hour, and it only uses one sheet of design paper, a little bit of ribbon, and a couple stickers, and it was totally, completely finished. If you were interested in creating one of these books for yourself, I have an entire tutorial totally dedicated to teaching you, and I'll leave that down in the description. Thank you everyone so much for spending your time with me to see this brand new book. I am so excited because this one is addicting. And I love how it looks like a little present. Much love and happy holidays, friends. See you soon.